Good morning greeting.
Sarah knocks on the office door and walks in.
Good morning, Mr. Davis. How are you today?
Good morning, Sarah. I'm fine, thank you. A little tired, but okay. And you?
I'm great, thank you. I have your coffee here. It's black, no sugar, just how you like it.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Please sit down. We have a lot to talk about today.
Of course, I'm ready.
The schedule for the day.
Okay, let's start with your schedule. Today is Monday. You have a meeting at 9 o'clock with the sales team.
What time does it finish?
It finishes at 10:30. Then you have some free time until lunch.
Good. What about lunch?
You have lunch with Mr. Lee at 12:30. It's at Rosa's restaurant on 5th Avenue.
Roses. I like that place. Is it a business lunch?
Yes, it is. Mr. Lee wants to talk about the new contract.
Okay. And in the afternoon?
At 3 o'clock, you have a phone call with the team in Chicago. It's about 30 minutes. Then you are free after that.
That sounds good. Not too busy today.
Yes, it's a light day for you.
Emails.
Mr. Davis, you have some new emails this morning. I can tell you about the important ones.
Yes, please. How many emails do I have?
You have 24 new emails, but only 4 are important right now.
Okay, tell me about them.
The first one is from Mrs. Kim. She says thank you for the meeting last Friday. She is very happy.
Oh, that's nice. I don't need to reply to that one today.
Okay. The second email is from Tom in accounting. He needs your signature on a form. It's urgent.
I can do that before my 9 o'clock meeting. What's the third email?
It's from a new client. His name is Mr. Brown. He wants to schedule a meeting with you this week.
Can you write back to him? Tell him Thursday or Friday is good for me.
Sure, I'll do that right away. And the last email is from IT. They say the computer system will be down on Wednesday from 2 to 4 in the afternoon.
Wednesday afternoon. Okay, good to know. Thank you, Sarah.
Travel plans.
Mr. Davis, I also want to talk to you about your trip next week.
Oh yes, the trip to Boston. Is everything ready?
Almost. Your flight is on Tuesday morning. It leaves at 7:15 a.m.
7:15. That's early.
Yes, it is. So you need to be at the airport by 5:45.
Okay, and the hotel?
I booked a room at the Grand Hotel. It's very close to the office where you have your meetings.
Great. How many nights?
2 nights, Tuesday and Wednesday. You come back on Thursday evening. Your flight home is at 6 p.m.
Perfect. Do I need anything else for the trip?
I will print your tickets and hotel information. I'll put everything in a folder for you.
You're always so organized, Sarah. Thank you.
It's my job.
The meeting room.
Mr. Davis, I have one more thing about the 9 o'clock meeting.
What is it?
The sales team needs a projector and a whiteboard. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Is meeting room B available?
Let me check. Yes, it is free all morning.
Good. Please book meeting room B. And can you put some water and coffee in the room?
Of course. How many people are in the meeting?
About 8 people, I think.
Okay, I'll prepare cups and drinks for 10 people, just to be safe.
Good idea. Also, can you make copies of the sales report? One copy for each person.
Yes, I'll make 10 copies. Do you want them on the table before the meeting starts?
Yes, please. Put them on the table at 8:45.
No problem. I'll take care of it.
A phone message.
Sarah's phone rings. She answers and then goes back to Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis, I just got a phone message for you.
Who was it?
It was Dr. Peters. He is your doctor. He says your appointment is this Friday at 4:30 p.m. He wants to know if you can come.
This Friday. Let me think. Do I have anything on Friday afternoon?
You have a meeting at 2 o'clock, but it usually finishes by 3:30, so 4:30 is fine.
Okay, yes. Please call Dr. Peters back and say I can come on Friday.
I'll call his office right now. Do you want me to add it to your calendar?
Yes, please, and put a reminder for 1 hour before.
Done. I'll add it now.
Office supplies.
Oh, Mr. Davis, I need to ask you about office supplies.
What do we need?
We are out of printer paper. We only have a little left, maybe enough for 2 days.
Okay, we need to order more. What else?
We also need pens, sticky notes, and some folders, and the coffee machine needs new coffee pods.
The coffee machine is very important. Please order everything today.
How much can I spend?
You can spend up to $150. Is that enough?
Yes, I think so. I'll order from the same company as last time. They are fast and not expensive.
Perfect. Thank you, Sarah.
End of the morning.
It is now 8:50 a.m.
Mr. Davis, your meeting starts in 10 minutes. The room is ready, the copies are on the table, and the coffee and water are ready.
Wonderful. You did everything so quickly.
Thank you. Do you need anything else before you go in?
No, I think I'm ready. Oh, wait. Do you have the sales report for me? I want to read it one more time.
Yes, here it is. It's the updated version from Friday.
Great. Okay, I'm going in. If anyone calls, please take a message.
Of course. Good luck with your meeting, Mr. Davis.
Thank you, Sarah. What would I do without you?
You would be very, very busy. Have a great meeting.
After the meeting.
It is 10:45 a.m. Mr. Davis comes out of the meeting room.
Sarah, the meeting is done.
How did it go?
Very well. The team had some great ideas. I'm happy.
That's wonderful. Can I get you anything? More coffee?
Yes, please, and some water too.
Of course. Oh, 2 people called while you were in the meeting. I have their names and numbers here.
Who called?
The first was Mr. Garcia from the Houston office. He says it's not urgent. You can call him back today or tomorrow.
Okay, I'll call him after lunch. Who was the second person?
It was Miss White from marketing. She wants to know if you can join a short meeting on Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock.
Wednesday at 10. Yes, I think I'm free. Can you check my calendar and confirm?
I already checked. You are free. I'll email Miss White and say yes.
Perfect. You're one step ahead, as always.
A birthday in the office.
Mr. Davis, I also want to remind you, tomorrow is Linda's birthday. She's in the accounting department.
Oh, that's right. Do we have a card for her?
Yes, I have a card here. Many people already signed it. Do you want to sign it too?
Of course. Is the team doing anything for her?
Yes, we are having a small cake in the break room at 3 o'clock tomorrow. It's just 15 minutes.
That sounds nice. Please add it to my calendar. I want to be there.
Great, I'll add it now. And I ordered a chocolate cake, Linda's favorite.
Good thinking. How much did it cost?
It was $35. I used the office celebration budget.
That's fine. Good job, Sarah.
Lunch plans.
It is now 12 p.m.
Mr. Davis, your lunch with Mr. Lee is in 30 minutes, don't forget.
Oh yes, Rose's restaurant at 12:30. Is it far from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk or 5 minutes by taxi.
I'll take a taxi. Can you call one for me?
Sure, I'll call right now. Do you want it at 12:15?
Yes, 12:15 is perfect. That gives me a little time.
Done. The taxi will be outside the main door at 12:15.
Great. Oh, do I need to bring anything for the meeting with Mr. Lee?
I printed the contract for you. Here it is. It has all the important pages.
You think of everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
A visitor at the office.
It is 2:15 p.m. Mr. Davis is back from lunch. Sarah knocks on his door.
Mr. Davis, there is a visitor in the reception area. His name is Mr. Clark. He says he has an appointment with you at 2:30.
Mr. Clark, I don't remember that appointment.
Let me check the calendar. Oh, I'm sorry, I see it now. It's a new appointment. Someone added it last week.
Okay, no problem. Is the small meeting room free?
Yes, meeting room A is free right now.
Good. Can you take Mr. Clark to meeting room A, give him some water, and tell him I'll be there in 5 minutes?
Of course. Would you like me to bring you a coffee too?
Yes, please. Thank you, Sarah.
I'll take care of it. Mr. Clark, good afternoon. Please follow me. Mr. Davis will be with you very soon.
A problem with the printer.
It is 3:30 p.m.
Mr. Davis, I'm sorry to bother you, but we have a small problem.
What is it?
The printer is not working. I tried to print the report for the Chicago call, but it stopped.
Oh no, what's wrong with it?
I think it needs more ink. The screen says ink low.
Can you call IT? They can fix it quickly.
I already called them. Someone is coming in about 20 minutes.
Good, but I need that report before 3 o'clock. What can we do?
I can use the printer on the second floor. I have the document on my computer.
Yes, that's a great idea. Please go now.
I'll be back in 5 minutes with the report.
Thank you, Sarah. You always find a solution.
End of the workday.
It is 5 p.m. The office is getting quiet.
Mr. Davis, it's 5 o'clock. Are you leaving soon?
And about 30 minutes, I think. Is there anything else before I go?
Just a few small things. First, do you want me to cancel anything tomorrow?
No, everything is fine for tomorrow. What else?
I sent the email to Mr. Brown about Thursday. He replied and said Thursday at 2 p.m. is perfect for him.
Great. Please add it to the calendar.
Already done. Also, your taxi for tomorrow morning, do you need one?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Yes, please, book a taxi for 8:15 a.m.
Okay, I'll book it now. Is there anything else you need?
No, I think that's everything. It was a good day.
It really was. Have a good evening, Mr. Davis.
You too, Sarah. Get some rest. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Good night.
A surprise task.
The next morning, Sarah arrives early and sees a note on her desk from Mr. Davis. She reads,
Sarah, I forgot to tell you yesterday. Can you please order a gift for Mr. Lee? He helped us a lot with the contract. Something nice, about $50. Thank you. Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis arrives at 8:30.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you see my note?
Good morning. Yes, I did. I already looked online for some gift ideas.
Oh, really? That was fast.
I found 3 options. The first is a nice pen set for $45. The second is a gift basket with coffee and chocolates for $50. The third is a leather notebook for $48.
I like the gift basket. Mr. Lee loves coffee.
Great choice. I'll order it now. Do you want to add a card?
Yes, please. Write something like, "Thank you for your help. We look forward to working with you."
Perfect. I'll write that on the card. It will arrive in 2 or 3 days.
Wonderful. You made that so easy. Thank you, Sarah.
It's always my pleasure, Mr. Davis.